Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this particular video, guys. Today, guys, I want to be teaching you guys what to do so that you can remember your dream. At the same time, your dreams will be very clear. Yes, what to do so that you can remember your dream and let your dreams will be clear as well. Okay, you remember your dream, and at the same time, your dreams will be very much. I was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Most important aspect of your life is your dream. Yes, dream should be one of the most important aspect of your life because dreams are given to you to guide you so that through dreams you can see into the spiritual world. But your enemy will want to harm you. The first thing they will take away from you is your dream. Yes, they will take away your dreams for you, or they will make the dreams not to be clear, or they will make you to forget the dreams. Okay, so today, guys, I'll be teaching you what you are going to do so that your dreams should be clear. At the same time, you will have dreams. Yes, some people say I don't dream. Everybody dreams. It's just that your enemies makes you to forget, or your enemies take the dreams away from you. By then you will not even be able to know what is going on in the spiritual realm. Okay, so today is that is very bad. Yes, that is very bad. If you say you don't dream or you don't remember your dreams again, then your enemies are up to something. Yes, your enemies are up to something. They must have taken your dream so that they can harm you without you knowing. So on a normal note, you are supposed to dream. So when you are not dreaming, just know that your enemy is at work. Because through dreams, your guided angels will reveal to you what is going to happen. Through dreams, your guided angels will come and tell you, don't do this or do this. Through dreams, your guided angels will tell you what is going to happen so that you can avoid it. Okay, so if any of this is not happening, any of this is not happening, just know that your enemies are at work. So this is going to help you, okay, to recover your dream lives back. Yes, this is going to help you to recover your dreams life back. Yes, this is going to help you to recover your dream life back. Okay, now what these are the items you need: just white clothes, um, garlic, a native chalk, garlic. And you go to need alligator pepper. Yes, these are all garlic. Okay, then another thing you will need is this. Yes, you need white thread so that it does not necessarily mean you must use white thread. If you can just tie it on its own, you can tie, but it's preferable use white thread so that once you close it, it will not open again. So that you use something to tie it. If you must use something to tie it, it should be white. Okay, what you have to do is to just get your native chalk in. So I've got your native chalk in, then put it, then the garlic, you put it as well, then the alligator pepper, you put it. Okay, after you have put this together like this, as you are putting it, you'll be making your prayer henceforth. I want all my dreams to be clear. I'm going to see the way I'm going to put it like this. I want my dreams to be clear. I want to be dreaming and let me remember my dreams. I want to dream and let me remember my dream. I want to dream and let me remember my dream. I want to dream and let me remember my dream. So we'll be doing it like this. I'm using two hands because I'm using one hand because I use two hands. I use one of the hand to hold it in. I want to dream and remember my dream, and my dreams will be clear. After you have folded like this, cover it. Then you cover it here. 1, 2. You see that. Then go to this other edge. Okay. I can just use this one to hold it. 1, 2. Since I'm using one hand as well. So let's say 1, 2. Okay. Just use this to hold it. And also see 1. I'll push everything together. See, I'll push all the substance together so that they will not separate. Okay, 2. You can get a smaller white cloth, it must not be this big. Press everything together. You see? Then after I've pressed everything together, Then again, this hold it like this. Then you get a high trend. These are just simple natural things. Okay, there's nothing evil here. Just natural things God has given to us. We use it to help Himself. Okay, so this is it. You get the math of the trend by special grace of Almighty God, because not to work without the permission of the Creator. Okay, once you get the math of the trend like this, you can see it. So you start it here like this. You can start it from any direction to tie it to. Okay, tie it together. Okay, so you tie it. Must not, the thread must not cover everywhere. Just tie it the way you know. So you tie it in the other direction. As simple as that. Okay, just tie it. Just the thing must not tie it so much. Okay, then you reach other mat you got earlier. Okay, to join them together. So just tie the mat, okay. Tie the mat with the other one now. And I'm done. See, just tie it. So anytime you want to sleep, you just put it under your pillow. It makes your dream clear, it will make you dream more, and it will also make your dream clear. As simple as that. So anything you know as understand, ask me in the comment section, then I will get back to you.